Morning YouTube. How's everybody doing today? Welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. My daughter called me the other day and wanted to take me for a ride in her new car. Yeah, she bought a Ford Escape Titanium. It's really nice. I'll show you guys here in a bit. Anyhow, she's picking me up. We're going for a little bit of a road trip, and she said she was going to buy me lunch at Folding Mountain. Folding Mountain is a brewery just before the Jasper Gate. Hour-and-a-half drive from here, and then from there we were going to go for a hike somewheres. But the weather is not very nice out. It's wet, it's cold, it's like only plus 5 degrees Celsius, 45 Fahrenheit. Snowing in the higher elevations, there's an actual weather warning in Jasper. We'll see how it goes. If you've been watching my channel, you guys know my daughter. She's been in all my hiking videos. Katie's her name. And Buster the dog is coming too. We will see you guys in Katie's car. All right, so this is Katie's new car. What is it? It's a Ford Titanium?
It's a 2019 Ford Escape Titanium.
And there's Buster. He's having fun. We're off to Jasper.
Yep.
We're going to Folding Mountain. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Folding Mountain.
Yeah, they have really good food there.
Yeah, I couldn't remember the name of the restaurant.
Yeah, it's a brewery, but they have a nice patio that allows doggies. Hopefully it's nice enough that we can actually eat out there, but we'll see, I guess.
It's raining. The mountains are white. The tops are white.
Snowed a lot on top last night.
Yeah, they're really white. So we're going to see some snow in the ditches. Not very nice out, is it, Buster? All right, see you further down the road. How old's Buster now?
He'll be 1 on the 26th. So
1-year-old doggy.
In 10
He's
days.
got his little thing in there so he doesn't go out. It's a cover, and he's got his blankie. Hey, Buster. He's got his green scarf. He's all dressed up for our road trip. What you doing, buddy? Pretty cool out, eh? You weirdo. What are you doing up here? Big lap dog.
Oh yeah.
So the weather is kind of gloomy and dreary and rainy, but it's just a light drizzle right now, so it's not too bad. What's the temperature, Kate? Plus 6 Celsius. Hello.
Hello.
Katie's car.
Yep, it's steering wheel.
The wipers are funny on it though, look.
Yeah, they open the other way. Oops, sorry, video.
How you doing, Buster? You enjoying the ride? Buster! Hey, buddy. That seat thing, Kay, that's pretty cool. He keeps his seats clean. That's neat, eh?
Yeah.
Buster is comfy. Are you sleeping, Buster? How hard is it to get out of there?
It's pretty easy. There's just a clip on each seat around the headrest.
We got snow in the ditches, people. There's even snow in the trees. All right. Highway 40 and 16. We're gonna head west on 16 into the park. Katie's boyfriend Caleb changed her tires, so she's torquing them now. I could do that for you, Kate.
Okay.
Here, let me do it for you.
That's okay, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Roche Mayette Mountain in the snow. Oh, look at us in Jasper. Not very nice out. Still raining. We are in Jasper, and all the tourists are taking pictures.
That's a new sign since I've been here.
I'm gonna go to Pyramid Lake, go for a walk, and then go back to Folding Mountain because it was raining when we went by.
Yeah.
Dude. The sun's out though.
Yeah.
It's plus 11. It's trying to come out.
Yeah, I'm trying to get warmer.
Buster wants to look outside. Well, people going to church.
Yep.
It's a big church, eh? What is that? It must be Catholic church, eh? It looks really old, eh?
It does.
Neato. Or they're just hanging around there. So this is Pyramid Lake Road. We're going to take Buster for a little walk while the sun's out, eh?
Yeah.
Nice big hotel here, right?
Yep. Pyramid Lake Lodge.
Boat rentals, cabins up there, right? Looks like an apartment building.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Buster's doing good on the leash, eh?
Yeah, he does really well.
Oh, put my toque on. It's cold out. Okay.
Pardon?
It's not too bad, eh? A little spit of rain, of course, now.
Yeah, it's gonna start raining again.
So, of course, it's raining now.
Yeah.
Of course.
Nope.
So this is Pyramid Lake, and there's a boardwalk that goes across the island over there. What's he doing?
Sniffing.
Oh, it's getting worse and worse, eh? Oh well. And here's the boardwalk thing.
Come on.
Nice, eh?
Sure.
People fishing. The weather is not very nice at all. Hey Buster, you cold? Look at the tree and all the people. You see that, Kate? They're all in the tree. What's Buster doing?
He's doing good.
Yeah?
He's a good dog. He just peed on that log. Right in the middle of the trail.
Oh,
he's cutting you off.
He's strong, man.
Yes.
So the rain kind of let up a little bit, so it's not too bad. Buster's all excited. Need an off-leash area for that boy. Let him run.
Oh yeah.
How you doing, Buster?
So he's being good boy. Buster, no,
Come on, Bus.
Nope.
Really nice trails in here. Little benches. Very nice. Nice sitting area. Nice. Look how clean the water is, eh?
Nope, stay.
People on the water. Over there.
Okay.
Too bad we can't see the mountains because of the clouds.
Where do you want to go? What are you doing? Are you taking a picture or video?
Yeah. Buster. What's the name of your Jeep? Or if you're, it's not a Jeep anymore. What is that thing?
It's a Ford.
What's it called?
Quinn.
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 Huh. Quinn. Quinn the Ford Escape.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at this cool little chair. Nice, eh?
Yep.
Clouds up there, eh? That's pretty nice, eh, Kate? Look, there's a guy on his boat. Oh, he's got, it's a pedal boat. Neat. So that there is Pyramid Mountain. Want to go this way, Kate?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at all these holes. Neat, eh? Where are we? Let's go this way. Oh, let's go up to that big tree where them people were. Look at that tree. No. I think there's two of them. No. Is that ever neat, eh? That's the root system. That's been there a long time now.
Good boy.
Look at all these benches here. They must have services here or weddings. Or, I bet you they have weddings here. Oh, the sun's out. Nice. Here we are in the boardwalk. Whatever nice, eh?
Yeah,
there's that tree that we just looked at. It's actually in the water. Well, we're going to go find somewhere to have something to eat. Probably go to Folding Mountain, I think. Hey, Kate?
Yeah.
We're going to phone and make sure their thing is open. Their what do you call it? Patio. There's that thing for Buster there. It all tags into there. And he's got his own little den in there. What a lucky doggy.
Would you like a treat?
Oh, he gets treats too? Because he's a good dog. Look at that. So there's Katie's Quinn. Nice. So I just called Folding Mountain and their patio is open and they allow dogs on the patio. So we're going to take Buster for lunch. So you enjoying your first road trip with Quinn?
I am. Are you?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
What do you think of Quinn?
Cool. Sunroofs. Just too bad it wasn't a nice day. Katie opened a sunroof. I'm like, can you please close that?
Yeah.
I have to wear my toque. Yeah. Anyhow, we'll see you guys at the Folding Mountain. Well, we're here. We're gonna go eat. We're hungry now.
Yeah.
Jasper East Cabins. Folding Mountain Brewery. It's busy.
Not too bad.
How is it?
Really good.
Katie had mac and cheese. So there we go. There's Folding Mountain Brewery. And I guess if you climb the mountain, you get, that must be it there, you get a free beer. How's Buster doing? He wouldn't eat, eh?
No, he's not very hungry though.
It's a nice view of the mountain, eh, Kate? That must be Folding Mountain there, or what?
I think it's like this grassy hill. I don't think that's Folding Mountain. Maybe
No,
though.
that looks more like Mayat Roche, Mayat, whatever they call that.
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly which one it is.
So over here, there's a restaurant, general store, and this is where you can get you can rent a cabin here. Folding Mountain Cabins. Nice, eh? And there's the cabins there. I wonder what their cabins are worth, eh?
Oh God, I don't want to know.
It's probably pretty expensive.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice in here. I think it's at the end of the line here, Kate. Beautiful. You have fun, Buster?
It's like, oh yeah. Hey, boss.
Well, thanks for lunch, Katie.
Of course. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Hey, boss.
We're gonna head back to the, I've just about said Jeep. We're gonna head back to Quinn because we've got some weather coming, man.
Yep.
And we're a little unprotected.
Yeah. Want to just go to the end there and then turn around to the back?
Okay. Are you having a drink, Buster Brown? He's sleepy.
Oh yeah.
Why is he so sleepy?
He was tired this morning.
What is this now?
I have no idea. Super, super slow.
Highway 40 North. Where the potholes, the wildlife, or the weather will get you.
And this truck going 50.
And this truck going 50. Well, Katie, should we end the video here, or what? Where's Buster?
Behind the car, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you, Dad. Oh, he's right there.
Hi, boss. Well, guys, end the video here. I think we're on our way back. Just letting Buster out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming with us. It was awesome. That was a good lunch we had over there. So, are you waving?
What?
Are you waving?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hit the bottom right of your screen. There's a subscribe button there. Click on that and...
Do you want me to show Buster one more time?
Okay.
Don't roll there. Say bye. Say bye. Good boy.
Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself.